Okay, it is finally here in our review. Welcome to Eric at RC Monster Garage MotoStyle Hobby Shop. Today what we got here, it's the Arrma Talion. This is the brand new 2018 model. They just relaunched it. It's actually right now belong to Horizon Hobbies. They are no longer belong to Great Plains. Great Plains used to manufacture the Arrma. And it's a good thing because Horizon Hobby usually making a much better product, so it's a good thing. Let's start with this truck. So it's a truggy. It's not actually a truck. It sits very low. It's right now on a stand, so it's look a little bit high, but it's a pretty low to the ground vehicle. 70 miles an hour out of the box, but you're gonna have to do some minor changes. I'm gonna explain in a minute what the changes. They give you pretty nice wheel for it, very good aerodynamic value over here with those small fins. The fact that this is flat over here will help you go a little bit faster, believe it or not. When you look for the front, very slick body, very nice. On the back of this, it's missing something. This is the only car that I see so far from Arrma for the high speed that don't have here any wheelie bar. So take it in consideration. If you get this car, you're gonna have to put here your own wheelie bar. It's a little bit longer, so it's not gonna pop wheelie as easy. It's have a nice sway bar, the same shocks that the entire series of the 1/8 scale trucks have. Those are adjustable shocks. I highly recommend, if you get one of those, to drain the silicone oil that there is inside and actually put a different weight instead. When you look underneath, it still have the same BLX motor. Let's remove this, and this is what we have underneath it. Exactly the same standard BLX motor that Arrma using for everything. The same ESC, same servo. Overall inside look exactly the same. Let's close in a little bit so it will be easier to see. Right here, this is the secret of the speed for those vehicle. I have too big of a finger, so let's use this to point. This is your gear that will make your car go faster. You're gonna have to change this gear, spare gear. You're gonna have to go actually spare and pinion gear. You have to play with it in order to get to the speed you want. But by changing this gear on the motor from the gear that come with the car to the gear that they give you in a small bag, you're gonna get to the 70 miles an hour. With this specific gear that you have right now, you're probably gonna end up doing about 50 or so, or 60, but not more than that. But you're gonna need for it a 3S LiPo battery. The review for this is not gonna be any different than any of the other Arrma vehicle. The new vehicle that they did a couple nice changes. The battery bay, you can take a bigger battery. It can be a longer battery. They have more space on the back, and you have here this cool thing that actually can grab the battery height for different height for the battery. So you're going to put here two 3S batteries, and they fit no problem at all. I myself usually like to use the Venom batteries because they have great warranty. And the C rating on them, I think that it's pretty accurate. We try other brand and we did not have as good as the result. Venom battery worth every penny, because when the battery go bad, they will give you a new battery. And if you just paid $150 on a battery that is 100C and 3S, and the battery go bad, you want to be able to just go to them and ask for a new battery, and they will say yes and give it to you. You don't want anybody to mess with you with that. Other than that, this vehicle is exactly the same of all the other 1/8 scale vehicle. Very simple. You're gonna need two 3S LiPo batteries or two 2S LiPo battery. Two 2S LiPo battery, you're not gonna go as fast. You can just play around with it at the park. But if you want to get the 70 miles an hour that promised to you on the box, you have to change the gear again right there, and you have to put two 3S LiPo batteries, and you're gonna need pretty big batteries for those. You're gonna need at least like a 5,000 50 all the way to 100C, unless you can find something that it's much bigger than a 50 to 100. I think that you can get 150C batteries, I saw somewhere, but I'm not really buying it that this is the true C rate on them. The one way to check it is to see how hot your battery is going to do. After you run, just check the battery. If you have 150C rating battery, 3S, two of them, and you're doing a speed run and you came back and your battery are boiling, they are not 150C. That's it. This is the Talion from Arrma, the 2018 model, now available at MotoStyles hobby shop and brought to you by RC Monster Garage. Like and subscribe so we can make more videos for you and show you more product out of the box, a little bit the in and out. We enjoy doing the videos. We hope that you like them as well. Please ask anything on the comments below. Whatever we can help and answer, we will. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.